Hi friends, Miss Ashley here, back with another craft. This craft will be available at Cheney and at Whiton while supplies last. This time we have a little bird nest hanger. So this one's kind of exciting because we have all kinds of different materials here. So we have some crinkle paper, some foam, some pom-poms, some cording. That's exciting. Okay, so let's get started. So this is a hanger. So the first thing we're going to do is cording in so you can hang it. So there are little holes on either side of the tree. Feed it through. Tie a knot. You know the drill. Okay, perfect. Next, let's put our nest together. So this little semicircle here is double-sided adhesive. So take off one side, and this is not part of the directions, but I'm going to suggest you do this. Like crinkle up your paper a little bit, like so, before you stick it on. Just kind of makes it look a little more wild, organic, as nests are. Okay, there we go, like so. And that's okay if it looks a little, you know, it's fine. Texture's good. Okay, so then you take the other side off and stick it like around here, because these two little circles up top are going to become our birds, and they're sitting in their nest, like so. Okay, great. Now let's make our birds. So these little pom-poms are the body, and then you have some black stickers here. So these are the bird's eyes. So stick those on there. So do it again. Okay, great. Now they need some beaks. So you have two orange triangles here. Unstick those. Stick them there. And there, cutie. Okay, so then these circles are also both sides are adhesive. So take off one side, stick your pom-pom to it, take the other backing off, and then stick it on top of these circles here. So it's sitting in its nest. Okay. There's its friend. Okay, cool. So now we have a little sign here that says Happy Spring. So I'll peel the back off of that, put it on the trunk like so, and then the last steps are to put on these little colorful leaves, and I don't have enough of them. Okay, well, you will. And then we'll have to pretend that I do too. So put these anywhere you'd like. They kind of do, you know, there's some bigger ones, there's some smaller ones, and I'll be honest, in my experience, they don't really fit perfectly, but that's okay. You can have them overlap a little bit. That happens in nature. It can happen on this craft. Some yellow ones here, and then the green ones. You know, see what I mean? Just a little overlapping. That's fine. No big deal. Slightly a big deal is that I don't have the pink leaves, but that's okay. I will show you a finished one that does have pink leaves, and like I said, you'll have enough. So here is the finished one, little pink leaves, and I hope that you have fun with that, and I'll talk to you very soon.